Welcome to ATS OST to PST. Converter software and watch live video. Start recovery process by clicking on Open File button. Select the corrupted Outlook OST file. Now click Open button. Software repairing process has been completed. Now see the preview of all emails items, emails, contacts, and other many items. All the recovered OST mailbox items are listed in left panel of the software. Click the Any Mailbox items and view the email's information. Recovered emails are listed. Just select any emails to view to content. View the email's message information. All emails date. Now click on Export button. Click the Browse button to select the saving location path. Select destination path. Click the OK button. Select the Export option. Select Messages filtering option to define the dates for recovery. Click on Save Data button to start the saving process. Saving process successfully completed. Thank you watching ATS OST to PST Converter software.